Hey guys, and welcome back to another video with the Audi A3 8-bit that I bought to a friend, or a friend asked me to buy a car to him. And in this video I will replace the brake pads and rotors or brake discs. And guys, there is a lot of stuff in here. Just arrived the first parts and I need to start working in this car. So guys, let's replace front brake pads, discs, and maybe if you are searching for this kind of information, this video can help you. So guys, let's go. So guys, I will use the T45, which is the one that I have that fits better, but I'm not sure if it's the right one, but let's see. Yeah. So guys, since I have to replace the discs, I need to remove the support, okay, and I need to remove two screws here. Let me see if I can show you. Yes, this one and another one down here, and another one right here. So guys, you need 21 sockets. So you need a 21 socket. But before I remove, I will apply a double D4T. That maybe helps to remove it way easier. Let's go, guys. This one came out easy. Actually way easier than usual. Here it is. And it's out. So guys, since we remove the support, now it's missing the rotor or disc. And guys, let me know in the comments, how do you call this? You know that I'm not from UK, US or something like that, and my English it's not the best. But guys, sometimes I heard some people calling this discs, sometimes rotors. Leave in the comments, how do you call this? Discs, rotors, whatever. And guys, if you realize, usually you have a screw in here to hold the discs, and I don't know why, but this one don't have. I also find out that the sensor, the plug of the sensor, it's like in this condition. Guys, whoever assists this car was not too professional, to be honest. It is what it is, guys. Let's go.
One eternity later.
So guys, after 10 minutes hammering this, the rotor just came out. But this is the reason that I always add copper grease in here, guys. If you don't have copper grease in here, this will get rust, and then this is sometimes is a pain in the ass to remove, guys. So copper grease always this area over here, okay guys? So guys, since the calipers are out, the support is out, I will take the chance, you know, to give a better look to the brake calipers, and I'm gonna paint. So since the support is out, I'm gonna clean it and give it a paint. Let's go, guys. So guys, I was thinking about to remove the deflector to paint also, but it have a damaged screw, the bottom one, and I don't have screws for this, so I will keep it. I will try to give it a clean and add copper grease right here, and I will also paint the caliper. Let's go, guys. To return the piston, always open the tank. Don't need to remove the cover, but open the little bit the tank in order to the oil return way easier. Okay, let's go. So guys, I end up by give it a paint in the deflector, and guys, now I will add copper grease, and let's go, guys. So now I'm gonna install the discs. This case is Rotor. Okay, don't forget the screws. And let's go. So guys, now I'm just gonna reinstall everything back. Guys, one thing, I always add copper grease on the screws, okay? So guys, now brand new brake pads. This one's from Brembo. So guys, wrong brake pads. If you can see it here, these wings, the format, it's really different. So since I don't have more options for now, I need to install the old ones. Yeah, actually they are not bad, but I will have to reorder new pads. Let's go. So guys, I end up by give it a spray until I have new pads. Yeah, maybe next Monday. Today is Saturday, so just the next Monday I will have brand new. Let's finish this installation and let's go. Guys, now it's time to reassemble the guide pins, and I will have some lube right here, okay? And let's go. So guys, after you install, always give it a clean, because sometimes the discs or rotors, it comes with oil, so always give it a clean. Also, don't forget to close the tank. Guys, in my case, I will not replace on the other side for now. I will have to buy new pads, so next Monday. Before you start driving the car, just turn on the ignition. Oh, wait. And then press a few times the pedal until you feel pressure. Okay, now it's pressuring. So now the brake pads are adapt. But don't forget, take care with the brakes after replace pads and discs, or pads or discs, because your car won't brake, you know, normally, at least in the first 100 kilometers maybe. Okay, now it's pressed, I have pressure in the brake pedal, so everything is okay. Let's go. So guys, I end up buying the right pads, okay, from Texter, which is a good brand also. And guys, this is the passenger side, because I already finished the other side. One thing that I forgot to mention during the video is that you have two types of brake pads. This one in the spring goes inside in the cylinder or piston, and this one goes outside, this one right here. Okay guys, So guys, unfortunately I couldn't replace the brake pads because I bought the wrong ones. I'm not sure if in this video I will have time to buy the right ones, install, edit the video, I have no idea. So guys, if in this video you saw it, that I replace it again, so I have time to change or buy the new pads or the right pads. But it is what it is, guys. At least for now, I was able to show you how to replace the brake pads, the discs. The only thing that you didn't saw, it's installing new ones. So we'll continue to work on this Audi A3 1.4 TFSI. I have a lot of things to fix, and I hope this could help someone that, like me, like to do the things by your own and my own, of course. So guys, thanks for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, leave your thumbs up, and as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.